Hey you guys, so today I wanted to quickly share with you my FabFitFun Winter box. So inside the box is the little magazine. This includes everything in the box and like ways to use the items like the headband and stuff like that, hairstyles to do with it. So this is always a cute little magazine. And then a $60 gift card for HelloFresh. I have never tried it. And then the first item is this Mark and Graham personalized, well, it's not personalized. This is the Mark and Graham throw blanket. It's very thin and lightweight, but it does feel nice and warm. So anyway, I got, it looks like the more gray color. There was one that was a little bit more beigey tan, but this is the gray, so I'm excited about this. And then I chose the Bearpaw mittens and like headband set. So it's got the cute little headband with the Sherpa lining, and then little gloves with like the little mitten thing you can put over your fingers. So those are super nice. I needed a pair of new gloves. And then I also chose the richer, poorer over the knee textured socks. I thought these would be really nice, especially with winter, just to keep your legs warm. I thought the pattern was just cute and basic. And then the item which basically made me most want this current box is the Orbe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. This retails alone for over $40. So the box is pretty much paid for by this. So everything else is like free. So anyway, I really like the Orbe products. They are higher end and a little bit more expensive. So I was super excited to see that it was included in the winter box. And then I got the Haba Hydration Cream Mask. So this mask you can put on your face and either rinse off or leave on overnight. I would probably leave it on overnight. The Haba brand is really good. I have used it off and on for years, and my skin always gets extremely dry in winter. So I'm very anxious to give this a try. Also included is this Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener. This is a highlighting stick in the shade Stella, which is a champagne shimmer. Now, I've not tried the Thrive brand, but I do know, okay, for every product you purchase, we donate one to a woman in need, which is pretty cool. So there is that. I'm excited to give that a try. I'm pretty sure you would apply it like in your inner corners or underneath your brow bone, just anywhere you want a little bit of glow. And look, this says ring light technology. What? So I'm excited to give that a try. And then also I got this Bite Beauty lipstick in the shade Meringue. It says 95% natural. So the shade is nice and nude and totally wearable. I think I'll get a lot of use out of this product. And then I got these black eye masks. They are made with hyaluronic acid, which is very hydrating and will kind of plump up the skin around your eyes to help with the appearance of like fine lines, wrinkles, stuff like that. Anyway, I'm always looking for under the eye products just because I'm over 30 and you know, things start to change. So I'm very excited to give these a try, and they are also cruelty free. And the last item is this Elevate 2 essential oil set. Now these are diluted with these are diluted with fractionated coconut and jojoba oil, so that you can apply it directly to your skin. You never want to apply straight up essential oils because they're just too strong. So I received eucalyptus and sweet orange. I see you. Lucy wants to say hello. Hi. So the sweet orange is radiant, fruity, and sweet, and it will help stomach cramps and headaches. So you put them on your temples or on your stomach. And then eucalyptus is sweet, woodsy undertone and applied topically to sore muscles. All right, you guys, so that is my winter 2018 FabFitFun box. I'm very excited about it, and let me know below what your favorite item was that you received in your box. And if you have yet to purchase a FabFitFun subscription, I will leave my link below because it will give you $10 off your first box, making it only $39.99 instead of $49.99. So I've really been enjoying it. This is my second box. I think it's a nice little way to treat yourself and try new products. You can cancel at any time. So anyway, that is what I received, and I will talk to you later. Bye.